Hi, this dance is called Scan and Copy, choreographed by Herman Baso from Indonesia. There are 32 count, 4 walls, improver level line dance. There is no tag, no restart in this dance. So let's start with the section 1. Section 1, walk forward, right, left, kick right foot forward, step next to left foot and then side touch. And then make a body wave to left foot, side, together with body move, side, close touch. Section 2, step right foot to right, step right foot to right side with body shoulder, and then recover, behind side cross. Step left foot to side and then make a quarter turn to left, recover on right foot, make a coaster step. And then section 3, side touch together, touch forward with hip roll, in, out, and then step right foot back, recover, and then do lock shuffle back. Section 4, rock left foot back, recover on right foot, and then lock shuffle forward, and then make a twice half turn pivot, step, half turn, step forward, half turn. Okay, let me repeat with the count. Section 1, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 2, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 3, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Section 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, that's all the tutorial of my new choreo. I hope you like it. I hope you enjoy the music and the choreo, and I look forward to see your demo version. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Bye.